Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make Trader Joe's chocolate croissants. This simple process transforms frozen dough into a delicious breakfast. First, place the frozen croissants on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Ensure they have enough space to expand. This initial step is crucial for proper proofing and baking, setting the stage for perfect pastries. After arranging them, let the croissants proof overnight, typically for 9 to 12 hours, at room temperature. During this time, they will significantly expand, often doubling in size. Covering them loosely with plastic wrap helps maintain moisture and prevents them from drying out. This slow proofing develops their rich flavor and flaky texture. Once proofed, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the croissants for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown and puffed. The chocolate inside will be perfectly melted and gooey. Allow them to cool for a few minutes before enjoying, as this helps the chocolate set slightly and prevents burns. These homemade Trader Joe's chocolate croissants are perfect for a special breakfast or a delightful dessert. Their flaky exterior and warm, melted chocolate interior make them incredibly satisfying. Enjoy them with a cup of coffee or tea for a truly indulgent experience. For more great deals and products, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, check out the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.